Hey, what's up you guys, it's your girl Jackie here and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you my daily skincare routine, but before we get started, let's just wash our hands. And these are the products that I will be using. The Ambi black soap, as well as the cocoa butter cleansing bar, a clean face towel, my Pond's moisturizer, and the Pond's anti-wrinkle cream. So we're going to go ahead and prep the face, and I'm just rinsing my face off with warm water. And then I'm going to go cleanse my face for the first time with the Ambi black soap. As I'm cleaning my face, I'm making sure that I'm paying close attention to the areas where oil may build up more on my skin. And I am going past my jawline because when I do apply my makeup, I do apply it past my jawline. So I want to make sure that I'm getting all those areas as well as my hairline and my eyebrows. So now I'm just rinsing my face, and I'm rinsing my face with warm water. I do not use hot water on my face because it will dry my face out. So yeah, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe my eyes with my clean face towel. And now we're going in for round 2 using the black soap. Now as you can see, the second round, it lathers much more than the first round. So that way you know it is getting clean. And again, I'm making sure I'm hitting all those areas, my nose, my jawline, my forehead, and around my hairline. Okay, so now we're rinsing once again. And now we're going in for round 3, but this round we're using the cocoa butter cleansing bar. So the cocoa butter cleansing bar actually puts the moisture back into my skin. Sometimes when I use the black soap, it can dry your face out. But again, the cocoa butter cleansing bar puts the moisture back into my skin as well as even out my skin tone. Okay, so we are rinsing for the last time. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my face cloth and just dry my face. I am not wiping my face with the face cloth. I'm just patting my face dry. So now I'm just going in with my moisturizer, and this is the Pond's moisturizer. This is the Pond's Nourishing Moisturizer, and it's for dry to very dry skin. And I just use this particular one again because, like I said, with all the different soaps that I've put on my face, your face can feel very dry, but this just locks the moisture back in and makes it feel really soft and smooth. Now I'm just going in with my anti-wrinkle cream, and this just helps tighten up the skin and basically, just like it says, prevents wrinkles. You can use it at night. I chose to use it both in the daytime and at night, and it just works faster. You usually see results within 2 weeks. So yeah, that concludes my skincare routine. Super easy, super affordable, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.